So all of this that we are giving you is just information, and information gives you power. So make sure that you take down these names and numbers of everybody that you're interested in and give them a call. Right now I have with me BioHRT. What a great segment to follow because they actually can help you if you're going to go in for any kind of procedure. We're going to talk a little bit about what they can do to help you with IV solutions, things like that. Welcome to the show. Which doctor do I have on with me today? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, which doctor are you today?
This is Roxy Strand.
Roxy.
Yeah.
Hi, Dr. Roxy. Welcome to the show. And tell somebody a little bit about BioHRT and then what you're going to talk about today.
Okay. Well, BioHRT is a local company up on Hayden and Shea that offers general naturopathic medical care along with bioidentical hormone replacement therapies and acupuncture and herbal medicine, homeopathy, things like that. What I'm going to talk about today is the nutritional IV therapies that we have.
Okay, great. I like that. So go ahead and tell us a little bit about what a nutritional IV actually is.
Well, it's basically combining what we know about intravenous therapy or IV therapy with what we know about nutrition. And so we're making the IVs a lot more nutritive, a lot more healthy. And so most times people think of IVs as going into the hospital or into the ER, and one of the first things that they do is hook you up to an IV. Most of the times that is for hydration purposes. And so we take that same hydration concept and we add different nutrients to it or different nutritional elements to it, things like vitamins or different minerals, trace elements, amino acids, natural anti-inflammatories, etc., which takes that hydration concept and just makes it so much more nutritive, so much more healing, and so much more beneficial for so many different things.
And I understand that you can do this either before or after surgery, correct?
Absolutely. That is definitely one of the things that we use it for. We actually have a surgery recovery program that we use, and that is developed that to specifically help people recover from surgery much more efficiently and much more quickly.
You must go on their website. That is BioHRT.com, and their number to call is area code 800-828-0553. They're located in Scottsdale, and again, their number is area code 800-828-0553. So are all IVs, are they the same?
Yeah, absolutely not.
Okay.
It actually depends on what we're using them for. It depends on the person, the condition being treated, the cause of the condition. All of those things help us determine what nutrient or what product that's going to be best to use. And so each IV is really different.
So,
what we put into it, how much we put into it. It's very specific and very individualized.
All right. So can you give everybody some sort of an idea of what they're used for?
Yeah. Boy, you name it, it can be used for that. We don't use we don't use IVs for every single medical condition, but every single medical condition, for the most part, could benefit from the IVs. Some of the things that we most commonly use them for are allergies, acute illnesses, things like colds and flus, vomiting, diarrhea, upper respiratory infections, headaches, anything to boost the immune system. I'll tell you, I never go on an airplane without having an IV prior to, and usually afterwards as well.
That's very interesting because no one ever really think about doing something like that, though obviously it's a really good idea. Their number to call is area code 800-828-0553. Go on their website. It's BioHRT.com. Now, can you just explain when you say, let's say somebody has terrible allergies, they would come to you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. And when you say headaches, do you mean like any kind of headache or migraines or all of the above?
Yep, any kind of headache, cluster headaches, migraine headaches, stress headaches, headaches from food allergies, whatever. Absolutely.
And how about the fatigue part of it? How does it help that?
With fatigue, a lot of times, now fatigue is a general symptom that can be caused by so many different things. So what we do, because we are physicians first, we have to figure out, what are some of the options for where the fatigue is coming from, what the cause of the fatigue is. We have to rule out anything that needs to be treated differently. And a lot of times, though, fatigue is due to toxicity in our body. Fatigue is due to our adrenal glands not working as well. Both of those things can benefit greatly from IV therapy, because what it does is it boosts up the adrenal glands. It helps the adrenal glands work a lot better, and our adrenal glands are the ones that actually give us energy. They're the ones that wake us up in the morning and give us energy throughout the day. So if our adrenal glands, which are our stress glands, aren't working very well, we're going to be a lot more tired. We're not going to be able to deal with stress as appropriately or as we used to be able to. And so with the IVs, it really helps build up those adrenal glands.
So let me tell that the website. It's BioHRT.com. Their number is 800-828-0553, and they're located in Scottsdale. I know that this is not just for surgery, even though that's my favorite part. So it could be anything that you have. You could be tired. You could have allergies or some kind of an illness that you haven't gotten rid of in a long time, and you can have this done. But I want to talk a little bit about your surgery recovery program. Can you tell everybody about that?
Yeah. Again, it was developed specifically to help people recover from surgery more efficiently and more quickly. So what we do is we try to have you come in a week or two prior to actually having surgery. You can come in prior to or before that. That's even better. But we have you come in. We talk to you about what kind of surgery you're having, what kind of medications you're taking currently, any other medical conditions, and then we'll offer or advise you to take one or two or a couple of different nutritional supplements starting a week or two prior to surgery, and that helps create a nice environment. It helps prepare for surgery. And so we have you start taking the nutritional supplements a week or two prior to surgery, and then as soon after surgery as you possibly can. And we couple that with the nutritional IVs, the tissue healing IVs, anti-inflammatory IVs, along with that hydration concept. And we have you come in. We'll create a schedule for you to come in for one or two IVs prior to surgery, and then 1 to 2 to 3 IVs after surgery. And
tell everybody what that equals, which is amazing results. And what are those results?
Yeah, those amazing results. There's a lot less swelling, a lot less bruising, significant decrease in pain, typically a lot less scarring, and the thing that most people love is it's a much, much, much faster recovery time. Really anywhere from 30 to maybe 80% more rapid healing.
And what kind of surgeries, like usually, do people come in after any surgery or some other ones that you might have that you might suggest to people?
Yeah, they can. IVs can be beneficial for really any surgery, general surgery, sinus surgeries, abdominal surgeries, anything like that. But what we typically see the most considerable benefits are when the surgeries that have more of the connective tissue trauma or damage. So things like orthopedic surgeries, plastic surgeries, cosmetic surgeries, those types of things. I'll tell you, do we have enough time? I have like a 2-minute story I can tell you.
We don't have that much time.
Okay.
We'd rather get this out. BioHRT.com. And the number to call is area code 800-828-0553. More importantly, we do want to hear your stories. We want them to call you and get all of that information from you personally.
Perfect.
Tell me this. Can anyone get an IV, or are there some people that should avoid them?
Yeah, for the most part, anyone can. There are a few people who we might have to avoid or look out for, but they're very, very rare.
So go on their website. It's BioHRT.com. They're located here in Scottsdale, and the number to call is 1-800-828-0553. That is BioHRT.com. Get yourself healthy through nutritional IV. Again, that is BioHRT.com. Give them a call.